The AllFuel HST roof support bracket is used for A-frame and cathedral ceiling installations, as well as in unfinished structures like garages, wood shops, or pole barns where a ceiling support box is not desired or required. The roof support mounts to the framing of the roof and can support a total of 45 feet of chimney with a maximum of 20 feet of chimney below the support bracket. An extended roof brace sold separately is often used in conjunction with this roof support to provide lateral stability above the roof. The AllFuel HST roof support bracket is made of 304 stainless steel for superior corrosion resistance and polished to a beautiful shine. The AllFuel HST Class-A double wall insulated chimney system is designed for appliances that are listed for use with a 2100 degree high temperature chimney, including wood stoves, fireplaces, fireboxes, furnaces, boilers, water heaters, pizza ovens, and other appliances fueled by wood, gas, coal, or oil. This insulated chimney system requires a 2-inch clearance to combustibles and can be installed in through the wall, through the attic, multi-story, cathedral ceiling, and roof-supported installations. Please note that all Class A chimney systems are brand specific, meaning the AllFuel HST brand of chimney pipe cannot be connected to any other brand of double wall chimney.